I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a BMW X5 in neutral. First, make sure your vehicle is completely stopped and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. With your foot on the brake, gently move the gear selector lever to the neutral position. You should see the N indicator light up on your dashboard, confirming the shift. This simple process is essential for various situations, like short stops or car washes. Sometimes you might need to put your BMW X5 in neutral when the engine is off. To do this, first ensure the vehicle is in park and then turn off the engine. Next, without pressing the brake pedal, quickly press the start/stop button 3 times in rapid succession. This action activates the ignition without starting the engine. You then have about 10 seconds to move the gear selector into the neutral position. This method is useful for towing or moving the vehicle short distances without power. In an emergency, or if the electronic system fails, your BMW X5 has a manual neutral release. You'll typically find a small cover near the gear selector. Carefully pry this cover open to reveal the emergency release lever. Once exposed, pull this lever firmly upwards. This action will mechanically disengage the transmission, allowing you to shift into neutral. Remember, this is for emergency situations only, and it's always best to consult your owner's manual for precise instructions. When using neutral, always remember a few key points. First, if you're leaving the vehicle even for a moment, always engage the parking brake to prevent unintended movement. Second, avoid coasting in neutral for extended periods. It can reduce your control and might not save fuel as much as you think. Finally, always refer to your specific BMW X5 owner's manual for the most accurate and detailed instructions tailored to your vehicle's features. Stay safe on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.